Today we're checking out 97 Judith's Fancy. This is a really nice 4-bedroom, 3-bath remodeled house. Beautiful stonework. Got a tall wall on the left, a little knee wall or shin wall on the right. You don't see a lot of stonework like this anymore just because it's cost prohibitive. Very expensive to build this kind of a wall, especially that tall. But this house has it. And next door you'll notice there's some historic ruins which are super awesome. Although they're not part of the property, they're right next door. So you could utilize them for, sort of a landscaping feature, place for the kids to kind of explore. Just a cool spot. And check out that sugar mill and stack right there. Really cool location. Lots of parking. Nice bricked entryway. So now we're coming in towards the main house. Down below is the apartment and upstairs is the main house. Off to the right, you've got a really cool playground, party deck, awesome place to hang out at night, place for the dogs and the kids to run around. And then here we are coming into the main house. Let's go check it out. As soon as you come in the double doors, off to the left is the kitchen. And check out this pass-through countertop. It's like custom wood. I don't know if that's Tibet or mahogany, but it's beautiful. I mean, just look how that arch frames out that kitchen. So beautiful. And then another arch here. And then an arch to the right, which takes you into this grand living room. I mean, look at the size of this room. 16-inch tiles. You got a cistern cover in the corner there for reference. Crown molding. Check out that huge fan. Just a big, beautiful, comfortable space. And then the master bedroom is down on that end. But if we head back through this arch, we'll head into the kitchen. Here you've got a nice little breakfast bar. Wine rack. And then there's that pass-through arch here from the other side. Granite countertop, dishwasher, double sinks, gas stove, vented hood. And what's kind of cool about this setup is that if you get the kiddos outside here playing, you can keep an eye on them real easy while you're cooking meals. You can open the window and dinner's ready. Really nice setup. And then this arch leads out through to the formal dining room, which we'll get to in just a second. Bonus pantry with a full-size washer dryer, tons of storage. This goes into the guest bedroom area. And look at that, just a lot of space in here. Great setup. And then you head back out the kitchen, bank a quick left, and here you are into the formal dining room. It's set up for 6, but easily could hold 12, 10 for sure. Got a cistern cover there. And check out these cypress ceilings. Just beautiful with skylights integrated. What is there? 2, 4, 6 skylights in here. What a setup. And then from the dining room, as you're having dinner, you're looking out at the ocean, the mill, and the ruins right next door. Fantastic. And then as we work our way, you got your bar on that end with a bonus fridge. Back here toward the north side, you've got an additional sitting area. And the current owner has a little Peloton deal going over there in the corner. But what a comfortable house. I say a great family home, and that's true, it is. But it actually is set up perfectly for a vacation rental too. So it fits the bill for both needs. If you're going to do a combination or you're a full-time St. Croix resident, this place has got you covered. Wait till you see the pool. It's beautiful. But first we'll go down and check out the guest bedrooms. Right off the dining room and bar area is the guest wing. Come into the first guest bedroom, super big, AC, exposed rafters ceiling. Love that effect. That's a queen bed, but it could easily handle a king-size bed. Great bedroom. And then you've got a closet off to this side, storage above. Notice this curtain here. Well, one of the cool things about this layout is if you just push this curtain aside, Steph and Teresa will open up these double French doors that lead directly into the other guest bedroom. So you've got sort of a connectivity to bedroom, but at the same time, if you wanted full privacy, all you got to do is close those doors. 2 more skylights, by the way. Double closets in this room. And then back into the other guest bedroom we go. So say your kids are hanging out, they want to have their own privacy, they can have that. Or if they want to do an Xbox night or watch a movie, they can have that connectivity from room to room. Or you could make one of these an office. Either way it works, but it's a great design. Then this is back through to the pantry, which leads into the kitchen, and then into guest bath. Really nicely tiled. You got your sink, you got your shower, additional storage above. Great setup for a guest wing. Lots of privacy on this end of the house. Okay, let's shoot over back to the north side and hit the master bedroom. Right off of the living room, great room, leads straight into the master suite. Beautiful, huge cedar closet here. Check out that crystal light fixture. Gorgeous. And then to the right, through another arch, is your double vanity. I love the height of these vanities. These hit me right at the hip. So when you're, brushing your teeth and you're like bending down, this one is like the perfect height. Double mirrors. Super cool fan. Look at that fan with a light kit built into it. And then a gorgeous tiled shower. Nice little step through there so you're not tripping over it. Very well thought out. And then here's your water closet, which has the same super cool modern fan in there. And then here we are in the bedroom itself. Nice big bedroom. Again, you've got that molding around the entire perimeter. Current owner has a little workstation there. And then this door leads out to a Juliet balcony. And look at this pool. Is that not gorgeous? I mean, my God, it's like a mini resort, really. I mean, if you had a family, family reunion, what a spot to hang out. Also, with a vacation rental, just as good. Double purpose, gorgeous setup. Really can't say enough about it. And I'm actually hearing the ocean from here. Let me see if you can hear it. Not sure that'll be picked up by the mic, but I can clearly hear the ocean. And then right off of the patio here is a very comfortable spiral that takes you down to the pool. So, maybe one of these hot summer nights you want to take a quick dip in the pool, jump out of bed, and there you are. Yes. Love this. Now we're on the opposite side of the pool patio, looking up at the main house, master bedroom. Steph and Teresa are chilling on the Juliet patio, and then underneath them is the apartment. But look at this pool patio. I mean, it's so gorgeous and inviting. All fenced off so the kids can be playing here, jumping in the pool. Got a nice shady cabana. You could easily have 150 people here on a New Year's Eve party or something, and no problem at all. Tons of room to spread out. TV for games or a movie night. Can you imagine having a movie night out here with the family? That would be awesome. And if you prefer the shade, here's your spot. If you're into the sun, you've got that whole side that gets direct sunlight almost all day long. Whoever designed this house, kudos to them, because it's very well laid out, very well designed. Everything is perfectly appointed and super comfortable. Again, more beautiful brick retaining wall. And then here we have the guest apartment. Let's check it out. All right, here we are in this beautiful apartment. Check out the windows that wrap around this entire room. It's fully air conditioned, so if you want to do the AC life, you can. But if you'd rather have open air, you can literally open all of these windows and you're living outside. I mean, it's the best of both worlds. Big kitchen, gas stove, dishwasher, really cool aquatic tile. Excellent condition. Cypress ceilings with the exposed white rafters. And then in we go to the bedroom. This is a king-size bed in here. More windows on this side if you want to have that cross ventilation. And then this leads into a really big bathroom for an apartment. Big shower, water closet behind the wall, vanity. And then you've got closet with water heater. I believe this one is a separate washer and dryer for the apartment, which is a great feature so that the guests don't have to go upstairs to do the laundry. And then you've got another closet and then even another closet, which is a walk-in closet. So all the storage you could possibly want. Fantastic apartment. Heck, you could live upstairs and just VRBO the downstairs, or you could live downstairs if you're just a couple and VRBO the upstairs. That's up to you. Out the aluminum French doors to a nice side yard. Big storage shed for all your yard tools and miscellaneous stuff. And then over behind this little shed are 4 Tesla batteries and a little lizard. Check him out. He's getting charged up. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 Tesla batteries. Then you got your Tesla gateway. So a great solar setup. And then up on the roof, you can see the panels. There's 53 of them. So you've got a lot of solar power here. This system is not cheap. This is a top-of-the-line system. To install one today would be very pricey. The beauty of it is, if the power goes out, the Tesla system kicks in immediately. So you don't even know there was a power outage. Immediately switch over to the battery power. So power outages are a thing of the past. And it keeps your electric bill under control. Just a beautiful home. Can't say enough good things about it. I really love it. I think you will too. So if you want to check it out, give us a call. We'd love to show it to you. I don't think you'll be disappointed. All right, everybody. We'll see you down on St. Croix soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.